Welcome to Earl Stewart on Cars.
When we were looking to buy a car, we were actually a little bit afraid to talk to the dealers in person, so we did it all by email and emailed all the people down in South Florida, like in an hour radius of where we live, and finally got the lowest price doing it that way. It was a lot easier to say no or, well, this person said I could get it for this much.
Exactly. First of all, you're obviously a very educated consumer. Email is definitely the best way to go. And you save a lot of time, and as you say, you eliminate a lot of the haggle and hassle. During this time, when you were emailing all these dealers, I got the idea. I think you said you emailed quite a few of them. Did you get responses from most of them?
I did. I think all but maybe one of them emailed me back within minutes, and we had this long email chat going on all day, maybe 2 or 3 days.
Really?
But it was a lot of fun checking the email. Like, oh, what are they going to offer me now?
Were you able to get an out-the-door price when you finally consummated the deal and you went in to pick up your car? Were there any surprises? Were there dealer fees or dealer-installed accessories, or was it actually and honestly represented in the email?
It was honest all the way. We got into the shop and everything was like they described it. So it worked out great.
Wonderful. What you did is great, and you can do, 5, 10, 20, how many dealers you want to do, sit at your computer and send the inquiries out, and just take your time and filter out the wheat from the chaff. You end up with a few that sound credible, and that's what you did.